Hey guys, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and this week I wanted to show you how you can play around with Santa's elbow and turn it into the salamander crawl. If you don't know what I'm talking about, you're gonna like this, and I'll just show you what I'm talking about. So if we're gonna do Santa's elbow, it really starts from reaching with the leg over, and we let it pull the elbow down, all right? And then we come back, just taking the arm, looking over where we want to go. So I'm going to come towards you. I'm going to reach with my leg across and let it pull my elbow over. Boom! That's Santa's elbow. But look at the position that I end up in. I end up in like the salamander crawl position. So did you see what I did just there? So I reach over with the leg, I'm patient, I let it pull me over. Boom! Deliver the elbow, Santa's elbow, if you know what I'm talking about. If not, you deliver the elbow. But you end up in the salamander crawl position, and from here, you can crawl out, you can come back. So you can use that elbow to end up in a crawling position. So from the front, if you want to see it from the front. Hi, how you doing? so you reach over with the elbow, you come in the crawling position, and then you can crawl forward. You go back with the elbow, take the other leg across, boom. And obviously you could just crawl on off if you wanted to, but if you wanted to flow in and out of the roll to the crawl, there's really no limit to how you can do this. But it's a simple way, a fun way to play with rolling, with the crawling pattern, which they're really the same thing. Rolling and the crawling pattern, they're kind of the same. Anyway, it's a great way to play. It feels good. It's good for your nervous system. It's good for your body. And it's fun. Except for the crawling part, which kind of it's kind of hard. But give that a shot. So it's rolling or transitioning from the Santa's elbow into the salamander crawl, or it's transitioning from the salamander crawl into the roll. Got it? All right, so play with that. Let us know what you think. I'm Tim with Original Strength, and we'll see you next time.